If I told you that deep inside the Amazon rainforest, there are trees that can heal deadly diseases, rivers hiding creatures science still struggles to understand, and secrets so ancient that humanity has barely scratched the surface? This isn't just a forest. It's one of the greatest mysteries on Earth, a place where nature holds answers we haven't even learned to ask yet. What the Amazon rainforest stretches across more than 5.5 million square kilometers, covering 9 countries and supporting millions of species. It's often called the lungs of the planet, but beyond its size and beauty lies something far more fascinating, a hidden world filled with medicine, danger, and the unknown. Scientists believe that this forest is the world's largest natural pharmacy, yet we have explored only a tiny fraction of it. More than 25% of modern medicines are derived from rainforest plants, and the Amazon plays a huge role in that. What's even more shocking is that less than 1% of its plant species have been studied. That means the cure to diseases like cancer or unknown viruses could already exist, quietly growing somewhere deep in the jungle. The cinchona tree, for example, gave the world quinine, one of the first effective treatments for malaria. Indigenous tribes have used countless plants for healing for thousands of years, long before modern science could explain why they worked. Some plants in the Amazon have powerful chemical properties that can affect the human brain, used in ancient rituals and healing practices. Others have antibacterial or anti-inflammatory effects so strong that they can treat infections almost instantly. And then there are plants that are still too complex or too dangerous for scientists to fully understand. Every expedition into the forest brings new discoveries, making it clear that the Amazon doesn't just grow plants, it grows possibilities. Flowing through this dense jungle is the Amazon River, the largest river in the world by volume. On the surface, it may look calm, but beneath its dark waters lies an entirely different world. The river is home to creatures like electric eels that can generate powerful shocks, and piranhas known for their sharp teeth and fast attacks. But these are only the species we know about. Local tribes tell stories of massive, snake-like creatures and mysterious beings that disappear before they can be seen. One of the strangest phenomena connected to the Amazon is the boiling river, a real river where the water temperature can rise high enough to kill animals that fall into it. What makes it even more mysterious is that there are no nearby volcanoes or clear sources of heat. Scientists have tried to explain it, but it still remains one of the most unusual natural mysteries on Earth. The Amazon is not just about plants and animals. It is also home to uncontacted tribes who have lived there for thousands of years without any connection to the modern world. These communities rely entirely on their knowledge of the forest for survival. They understand which plants heal, which are poisonous, and how to live in perfect balance with their environment. Many of these tribes choose to remain isolated, avoiding contact because to them, the outside world represents danger. Even with satellites, drones, and advanced technology, much of the Amazon remains unexplored. There are regions so dense that humans have never stepped foot in them. Strange sounds echo through the forest at night, and new species are discovered almost every week.